Okay, GM. How is it, everybody? Give me just a second to start the stream on X. I think I just got it. And post it. And hello. So, create broadcast. I think here we are. Let's go. Boom. Success. Let's see. How do you guys are? How do you see the market? Let me know in the comments on the YouTube. Let me post my YouTube here as well under the X. And join me in YouTube so we can chat. And what else I can do? I can send it to some friends. 4 o'clock here in Greece, 2 p.m. UTC. I think it's a nice 30 minutes before the market open. I like to trade the Bitcoin during the market open, the SPX market open, because it gives more volatility. And if you have some edges, if you have some spots that you're looking, it's kind of hitting that. So let's see. Yeah, let's give a last look how this whole thing looks. Looking good. I'm going to be trading Bitcoin today, and I'm going to be checking at the same time the SPX, and we're going to be doing all of this in the MEXC platform. I traded in some platforms. I prefer MEXC. I like MEXC. My experience last times is good. So yeah, why not? And I'm having the SNEC with me, my favorite token from the Cardano ecosystem. So if you're a fan of SNEC, or if you're not, you should check them. On the X they are SNEC, on the website they are snec.com, and this is a collectible I have from them. And yeah, I'm quite bullish on it. And let's see how all of this can unfold. What we're doing here, we're doing a trading and meditation challenge at the same time. I call it like this. I'm putting some nice music so everybody can chill down and just resonate with markets, right? And that's how I feel the markets. I open the charts and I start reading. I also see what's happening in SPX and how this is affecting or not Bitcoin. Yesterday SPX did an all-time highs, and on the closing it reversed down. So it's really interesting to see where it's going. I have two targets, like 7,100 and 7,250 from these patterns, like inverse head and shoulders. We see here left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and we also see this descending broadening wedge here that it should end up here. So yeah, I'm going to be taking a trade in about 30 minutes, but before this, let's see how we're going to be taking our trade. What I have here is like, let me delete some indicators. Okay, I have some drawings. You see a lot of drawings because I do day trade. So I decided now to share it with you. So here I have a channel, top, bottom, and some edges here, one edge here, one edge here. So I have this channel, and this is like the middle of the channel here. So currently we're losing the middle of the channel, while yesterday we were taking it up. So either we're looking there for spots like this, like maybe a fake out here, lower, and then go up, or maybe we're looking down here. Let's see what happened yesterday. So yesterday I took a loss on live. I took a loss, and I showed you this loss here. That was a loss that we took yesterday. But what happened? I got really into. I saw a candle. I trade the 1 minute chart. When I'm opening and I want to make a scalp or an intraday, I trade the 1 minute chart. So I saw a really strong candle here. Oh, sorry, really strong candle here around the opening. A really strong candle here around the opening. My first thing I wanted to do was short, but I wanted first to come here and then come here to short, right? So then when I saw this strong candle, I FOMO'd into a long here, boom, and then I just got stopped. But then what I did, because I didn't want to close the day with a loss, I opened a long here at 89.152 and I closed at 90.364. That it is 8900 is here. When I saw it coming in this area that we said this is an area too long, you can see that we had it like that. Yeah, I just opened it here 1830. It went like this and went like this, and when it came here I closed it. I was kind of lucky because it was at the PC at the same time, because I had higher targets anyway. But why did I close it? Because if you see here the previous high that was on the value area low, and I will explain value area high, and I will explain what this means. It broke it, but then on the next minute it got rejected. So when I saw that it got rejected for 2 minutes, I was like, okay, I don't like this anymore, you know, we don't have confidence to go out. And I closed my order. You can see it here. I closed it here 903.64, and boom, in the next minute, these are minutes candles, right? In the next minute, just yeah, it just went down. Sometimes I'm really hesitating on closing one order, but in this challenge I said I'm just gonna take a trade every time. Doesn't matter if I want to keep it more or long. So I just did it. I'm really happy because all the profits I would have made from here, they could disappear, and then I got stopped, right? So yeah, let's see what's the value area high I was talking about before. So what I do when I want to trade, I take this area that I'm interested, that I see the price that is there. So we're going to be trading in this area, in this channel that we're talking about, right? So we're talking about this area here. And I go here to the projection patterns, and I take these fixed range, and I see where people think that is overvalued or low or undervalued. So here in these areas, in the blue line here, in this blue line, the people thinking it's probably let me put it here. Yeah, people thinking that's probably undervalued, and here and above that's higher valued. So it's a good way to start taking some edges or some spots, and say I'm looking at around 87.3 to maybe take a long or something, and then at the same time I'm looking for some gaps. So we can see we're on the 4 hour, and this candle has a gap here, and there are some wicks. So for me a good spot for long would be somewhere here around 86.8. If we saw this move like this, and then reclaiming these previous wicks that they are the value area low at the same time, would be interesting for me for a long. So this area is interesting. We could even maybe go and retest the point of control, maybe, who knows. So let me put this as a red one. Let me know if you think the red one or the green one looks more possible for you. So let's talk about the CPR indicator. Yesterday we're breaking above the pivot of the CPR indicator, and so that meant that a magnet would be here on the top, but today we are below. Really volatile yesterday, yeah, like it went to 90.5k and then it went down to 87.6. So yeah, let's see. If we reclaim this, then maybe we'll be looking for higher, but if we lose it eventually, then we're looking for lower. Let's see what's this distance here. This distance, it is 1.3%. So with 10x leverage, it would be 13% profit. My goal is to make 5 to 10% profit per day per trade. That would be compounding good. So let's see if we can take something like that today. And one other thing that I'm doing, I am trading on the no, I'm not trading, I'm looking the liquidations that are available. What does this mean? It means that if the price goes there, it liquidates some leverage trades. And you can see with maybe if I bring it higher, you can see here, let me check. Yeah, you can see here that the yellow ones have the most of the liquidations. So it's like 70, every yellow is 77 millions of liquidations. So sometimes the price might get yeah, affected, not affected, might get, these might act like a magnet, let's say. But what I think that acts like a magnet is the SPX2. So sometimes I find some correlations between these two. Let's chill a little bit. Let's see what is happening. Let's open. I like to go on the 15 minutes sometimes. Oh, and we have the CPI indicator intraday too. So we lost the blue, that's a pivot, and these are a support. We hold this support here, but let's see what can happen. And let's see the EMA, what shows. EMA below, I like to have the 200 EMA in the time frames. For me it shows the trend. So you can see here we're on the 15 minute. As long as we are under it, we're going down. Then again, rejected here. Let me show you, rejected here, rejected. Then when we turn it as support, it kind of goes up and then it goes up and then it goes up, but then as a resistance again just go down. So I try to take confluences like this, right? Let's see. So now we have the CPR indicator, we are below it, so it looks bearish, it looks like a bearish day. Maybe this area combined with the CPR indicator and this gap that we found could be a good confluence for long. And let's see where are these here. What do we have? These liquidation clusters here. 86, 86.8, 86.8 should be 86.8. Yeah, it's around here. This is a really interesting place for long. But maybe we could take a short first with a target here, and then maybe here we can long. I'm really interested in this play. The other thing that we could do, we could see the market going up and taking all of this cluster up to 91k and take this high, take this previous high. So that would be that we are reclaiming this part and we go to 91k, that's around here. That would give us even more 3% move, man. On a 10x leverage would be 30%. Let's see. Okay, so that's for today. That's the plan for today. We're gonna trade this spot here, this line that I have as an anchor, and we're going to be taking either along here with a stop loss under these wicks and somewhere close to 90.8, and that's a 4.6 risk reward, quite good for me, I like it. Or we're going to have the opposite, the short, somewhere here, and look to take these liquidations here, and then maybe here open a long. That's my goals. That's not my goals. That's what I'm looking for today. I don't know how do you think about this? What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments on the YouTube. And if you are on X, you can find the YouTube link down under the as a comment. Yes, under the thing, under the post that I made. And yeah, I'm gonna take a moment to check if everything is good here. We've been streaming for some minutes already. .16 minutes. We've been streaming for 16 minutes, and yeah, let's see. As I said, I've been trading in MEXC, and I really enjoy here the platform. So maybe you could, if you want to trade too, you can find the link in the YouTube in the description, and you can subscribe. Not subscribe. But you can subscribe. You can subscribe if you want, so you can see everyday trading with me, meditate and trade. But yeah, what I was saying, you can find the link, so you can register through my link and take some 0 fees or a 50% discount of the fees with my link, and then I get a kickback from your trades, from your volume, and this helps each other. So yeah, if you want, and if you like the trading, and if you get something out of these streams, maybe you could support it like that. But yeah, for now on, let's do something. Let's get a fixed range volume here to see here. Yeah, here. Okay, interesting. Let's see. There's a confluence, like there could be a long here too, but I think if we start falling down, we should probably go to visit these liquidations that we see here. Most of the times when they take these liquidations, so what happens when they take these liquidations down here, if they take these liquidations and we have this liquidation cluster, it allows big longs to open without impacting the chart. So it's like free of charge, free of slip out. So what they're doing, they're setting the big whales, they can set here really big longs, and they're going to get filled from the other longs that are getting liquidated. So they get the big longs liquidated to fill their orders and then go up. So maybe we could bet on something like that. You know, all of these are probabilities, you never know. But I'm gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes to see how the SPX reacts and how the SPX is affecting Bitcoin. Because what I'm doing is and I find this working actually. What I'm doing, I'm opening the 1 minute and I'm starting comparing how the 1 minute of SPX is affecting the 1 minute of Bitcoin, right? And then I'm taking my decisions according to that. So if I see that every green candle on SPX, it doesn't get a follow from Bitcoin, it becomes a red candle on Bitcoin, I'm like, okay, we are not so bullish today. But then if I see green candles on SPX and Bitcoin even multiplying these green candles, I'm like, okay, then we're looking for longs today, right? So yeah, I'm going to be watching for things like these, or things like I'm working a lot with Fibonacci too, so to take some levels. Let's see. I'm really curious to see how Bitcoin will react to the SPX opening. Yo, Dave. Hello. How can I put this? No, I cannot. I get something about my stream bitrate. Do you guys see a good picture here on your phones? Let me check from my phone. So hello, Dave. He says, what's the trade? The trade is, I think either we go up or down, right? So yeah, we're going to be waiting 10 to 15 minutes for the market to open, and we're going to be looking for either from around here long to 91k or a short here to 86.8 and then a long from here to higher. So that would be interesting. I'm really interested to take a long here, but maybe we can start by shorting it first. So I will see when the market opens how it reacts, how Bitcoin reacts according to those levels. So let me check the live one moment on my phone. How is the quality? Because YouTube told me, it's giving me a warning here. Let me see that. It's my first time that I'm streaming, so I'm trying to find the technicalities. I think it looks okay. It could look a bit better. Okay, no, I think it looks fine. What do you think, guys? Does the thing looks good? I think it looks fine. I can see the numbers. I can see me. I can see the snack. Woohoo! Snaggy! This is a collectible from snack.com or snack on Cardano. It costed $200, but it's like a collectible NFT. So yeah, I don't know if it's an NFT, but it's a physical collectible. So yeah, it's limited edition, and I have it, and I will keep it. But if it gets really overpriced to sell it, I don't think so. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so I think we're looking good here. I'm gonna close it. And let's keep here on the side the MEXC platform where we're going to be trading. And let's see how it looks. Let's see. What? Okay. And we're going to be waiting 7 more minutes. So yeah, as I was saying, we're going to be looking in these liquidation levels to take our edges, or maybe if we start getting attracted to the upside, then we're gonna maybe long it. Let's see how this will react. And as we said yesterday, SPX did an all-time high. It kind of went down, so it's really interesting to see how this will open too. But I'm gonna be focusing in the 1 minute in the beginning. I'm looking the 1 minute candles to take my decisions in this scalp tradings that we're going to be doing. So yeah, the trades are going to be either this, either that, according to this level here. Maybe we could risk for a long here, but I'm not sure. Not sure yet. Let's see on the 15 minute. Where is AMA? Here could be a good thing for. So we have the CPR lines. Maybe this line could be a good one for short too. Like maybe something like that, you know, like take the 15-200 EMA here and act it as a resistance. Interesting. It's really interesting, but I'm gonna be waiting for 5 more minutes to see how SPX is reacting. What can we do? We can fix our sheet that we had, sheet with double E, not with one A. Yesterday, as I told you, I took a loss first, but then I fixed it to a win. And what I noticed that I FOMO'd a big green candle on 1 minute time frame, and then the market retraced back down before the opening. So yesterday I had a loss, but then I fixed it with 20%. Yeah, so it was 8.69 minus 20%. It's around plus 11%, plus 11.3, let's say. Hey, no. Plus 11.3%. No, I don't need anything else. Error, yes, error. 11.3. Boom. I don't need a percent. Leave it there. Okay. And then it was a win day. So we changed this to win. Not win loss, but win. Yes, and what was the entry eventually? 89.150, 89.150, and exit was 9364, 9364, 365. It's okay. Win, yeah. Stop loss, I don't remember honestly. Long, yes. And notes 2. So this is going to be in the notes 2. And I'm gonna make a notes 3. And I'm going to be saying that I took a loss. Initially I took a loss, but then I corrected it because the price tuned with my prediction. The price tuned with my predictions. Okay, we see some activity on the chart. So we see the chart already 2 minutes before the opening, starting having some red candles. You can see it more intense here. And let me delete these things, because in 2 minutes we have the market open. So, okay. Interesting. I wish I was short already. Because okay, what can happen here? It can go straight like this when the market opens, or it can go like that, or it can go like this. So yeah, I'm gonna be waiting a bit, but let's see. So let me go to the 1 minute here, 1 minute candles. 1 minute candles here. The 200 EMA, it works for me as a trend, showing the trend on the 1 minute too. And we need 1 more minute to see how SPX will open. General feeling bearish for the short term, because we are below the blue pivot line in the CPR. We're below everything actually, so general feeling is bearish. Market is open. Let's see. Okay, higher. The CPR is higher. Market is higher than the CPR. Market looks on the first thing kinda bullish. So it would be nice to see this line being taken here and then maybe going up. Let's see. So we have the first first candle on the market green, first candle on the Bitcoin after the market opening green again. Okay, that's positive. Here is a previous all-time high. I mean, from the days before yesterday it was here. It's going to be bullish if we hold it. And let's see. I'm going to be waiting 5 to 6 minutes to take my first trade. What do you guys think? Dave says he thinks we bound. So let's see. I'm going to have my... Okay, we're going lower now. This is really interesting. 87.645. Is there anything here? 87.645. 86.8. It looks really good for a short. So red candle the second minute for the market, and red candle the second minute for the Bitcoin too. So they're tuned. That's what I see for now. They're tuned. Whatever is happening on the one market is happening on the other. Sometimes they're counter tuned. Like if it happens something different in one market, something else is happening in the other. But today I see them tuned for the first 2 minutes, right? Sometimes it's changing. You can see it here in this screen also a little bit. Okay, third candle for SPX green, and a kind of bouncy candle for Bitcoin. But still red. Let's see. Some rejection here on the SPX on the previous all-time high. Let's see how it looks on the daily. Yeah. Trying to break the previous all-time high again, but it's getting a little bit of rejection. But it's too early. It's only 3 minutes in the market. So let's see. Bitcoin is also holding this CPR2 support. Pivot, support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4. Support 3 looks really juicy for a long. We're kind of losing the support 2 right now because we're printing a red candle here. Okay, red candle for Bitcoin, red candle for the market. Maybe what we could see is either a bounce here or either a bounce here. Boom! Quite of red candles here. Okay, I didn't take that short. Let's see if we... Okay, if we hold this line here, this could be a nice long. I think I'm gonna take this trade with a really tight stop loss. Let's see. Let me just take this trade with a really tight. Or maybe we'll go for here. Let's see. SPX continue going down. BTC bouncing a bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this trade with a tight stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna open a long here and we'll see what happens. Okay, we are in. Let me put my stop loss already. here. We're going for a 3% loss, and I'm going to tell you in a bit. Sorry, my PC is kinda lagging. Let's see. I'm in this trade, so I'm taking this trade. I have a really tight stop loss. If we lose this, we're going to be getting out of the trade. Our stop loss is out 87.5, so it's here, and I'm just hoping for like a three bottom here, 1, 2, 3, and then go up. It's really risky because there is a lot of liquidity here. Most possible is that's going to go here, but if not, we are in a good long. Otherwise, we lost 3%. And yeah, let's see. Probably we're going to lose this 3%, but could be a good long here. Otherwise, yeah, let's just see. I feel like I kind of FOMO'd again, but yeah, let's see what happens. SPX is losing the CPR, so probably we're gonna get dragged here, and probably Bitcoin is going to becoming not here but here. Let's see, we do see some bounce from this candle, but yeah, immediately it's getting taken again. Probably we're gonna lose this small trade. Okay, we got stopped. It's fine. The other thing we could do, since we saw maybe let's see. The other thing we could do would be something like this. Let's check that. Okay, so we got in this trade here. What we're doing here, we're taking this low as a resistance, and we're going to be searching for these liquidations here. And we should put the stop loss somewhere here. Let me put it here. And take profit at 86. Okay, so we're going to be losing 6% more here and take profit at 86.5. And we're going to be winning 20%. It depends on what happens first. So let's see. Oof, I'm quite pumped right now, quite of adrenaline. But yeah, what's the theory behind this is that if we lose this previous support, 1, 2, 3 support, we kinda lost it, but we found it here. And now we're testing it from the underside, right? We're testing it from the underside. If it's confirmed as resistance now, the previous support, then we're looking for here for the next down level. And I'm having this here 86.5. That is somewhere here. Let me see these two. 87, 86. No, I would do it. I would do it 86.9 just to be sure. 86.9. So we're currently on break even. Here I'm fixing my stop losses and stuff. I don't know if you can see it. 86.950. So we're risking, let's see, it's kinda stucky because I'm streaming. I'm having too many windows, kinda stacking. So yeah, let's see. We're risking, no, it's all good. 6.7% to lose to make 14%. So it's like 1 to 2 trades, something like that. So let's see now. Okay, quite positive that the previous S2 here is acting as resistance now, and previous was acting as support, at least for these minutes. And here also it's for our sorting. It's, ooh, I like the red candles when I'm sorting. Yeah, it is good. What's happening here? The pivot point was the market was above it, and now it came below it. Tried to retest it, and then making a lower low. Let's hope this will follow to the downside and the BTC will follow it together, so we can make the money on the short that we're betting. We already lost some money on the long, so let's see if we can make it back on the short. What do you guys think? Let's check it out. Yeah, that's a good idea. That Dave is saying that I should check the mini futures, because when the mini futures have a higher price than the normal futures and than the normal SPX, then we have this market opening different. But I also like to see how it's tuned, like candle by candle. Yeah, but you're right. It's good that we're turning the previous CPR, the support pivot point of the day, we're turning it into resistance on the SPX, and is working too on Bitcoin. So probably, in my estimation, probably we're going to be going here to check this area of 86.8. Let's see. So currently we are at 2.6% profit, but we lost already. Let's see position history. We lost already we lost 3.6%, and we are winning 2.5 somewhere, so we're kinda even. Now we're at 1.9. Let's see how this will unfold. SPX continues down. Bitcoin kind of bounces here. I really don't want it to bounce here because I'm shorting and because it's going to be saying that the previous support is still support, but it looks like turning into resistance. And for me, it's kind of logical, since we can see on the liquidation heat map that we are searching for juicy 200 millions here. So maybe the market makers are going to take advantage of these 200 millions here to take the free money and maybe open their longs. So let's see. So that's the probability we have today. It's not about guessing. We tried to guess a little bit here. But it's like having a probability and a scenario. For me, the scenario is that if I see it going higher than the previous prices, it means that the buyers are stronger and we're not going down there. What can happen also, it can go first here or here and then go down there. Yeah, but if we knew all of this stuff, we'd be millionaires already. So yeah, we're just testing the probabilities and the scenarios that we think they're gonna work, and checking it out, right? So if you enjoyed checking it with me, leave a comment with me, do a subscribe, a like, or whatever you want. You're free to do. Let's check some notifications on X. Yeah, some people reposting. Thank you, Dave. So yeah, okay, let's start watching the other time frames and what's happening. SPX still printing red candles. Yes, positive for our short on Bitcoin. I would hope that would be as aggressive on the Bitcoin as our SPX. But yeah, what we could do here, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but what we could do, we could take our stop loss and put it on break even. So when you do that, you're like, okay, today I'm not losing money. I took a loan from the market makers for my short, and I'm gonna do that. But I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm gonna maybe wait a bit for the market to go down lower, and then say, okay, then because I don't want to get stopped like this and then continue down. It's a bit of a risk, you know. You say it depends on how much you want to risk. I want to risk a little bit in this short, so let's see how it goes. I like that we're losing this line. That's the line of the previous lower low here. And if this support here, it's acting now as a resistance, it means that we're looking for shorter. So yeah, let's look for shorter then, because we are shorting. With a nice drop, okay, SPX still dropping. With a nice drop, the market makers could take all of this money for free. So that's what I'm betting. I'm betting on that these liquidations are going to be taken. For now, it's kind of going good. Even if I had this plan on my mind, I don't know why I opened a long here. But yeah, who knows? Maybe it will turn up. It will turn higher eventually. But yeah, I would be really interested to take a long here. So if we get a short here, I will try to get a long somewhere here. Would be interesting to see what can happen. But first, first we need to see what's gonna happen. Ooh, I don't like these candles, man. Look, this is about the tuning that I was talking to you about. SPX printing 5-6 red candles, and Bitcoin is kind of staying the same. But then as soon as we have a green candle, Bitcoin is going higher. And it looks like it's more bullish compared to the SPX. That's what I get. We'll see. We are on the break even right now for our trade. Not so great feeling for this trade. But the logic says that we should take this first before taking those. But yeah, there's no logic in the crypto market, right? So let's try to see what's happening. Any news today? Any news for the market or anything? You guys know anything? Have you heard anything? Good news, bad news? Metal Mania, Cardano Monthly, Crypto Meditator, Bitcoin price slides. Robin Hood SEO says, I don't know what he says. Anyway. Let's see. Okay, still on our break even here. You can see it here too. We are at 0.25%. We're still streaming, that's good, but we don't have the music for some reason. Let me check it. Do you guys hear the music? I think the music is not there. Yeah, I think the music is out. Why is the music out? Why are you out? No, it's not working. Okay, anyway, let's focus here. Yeah, we're still getting that resistance. What's happening on SPX? SPX printing more red candles. Bitcoin continue to print yes, red candles. I want to fix my music now. Okay, so I'm going to be adding, give me 1 second guys, I'm going to be adding a media source music. Okay, I'm gonna say bros, I'm gonna put this and this and this. So now it should be playing. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put this to 0 and this a bit lower, and I think that now you can hear the music again. And yeah, we're still on a winning side on this short. You can see here. Can you hear the music now, guys? Ta 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 ta. Okay, I like to see red candles when I'm sorting. I like to see red candles when I'm sorting. So let's see what's happening. Okay, so that's the thing when I was talking about you before, that we could do that. Remember, I was telling you that we could put this here. I don't like to do this really early because look, now we would have been stopped, and the market would continue lower, so I wouldn't want to do that. And now we're making lower lows. SPX continuing going down, and this affecting at the same time, affecting Bitcoin. We're at 5.5% positive now, but we lost 3 before, so we're 2% positive, let's say. Let's hope it comes here so we can take a nice 14% minus 3. We're looking for 10% to close a 10% positive day today. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have rushed that long in the beginning, but it's a risk, right? If you don't take the risk, you never know what's happening. It was really tight risk, really tight, like 3%. But it's not good to give money to the market, back money to the market, giving money back to the market all the time. But sometimes I like to take some risks. Sometimes you should take some risks. That was a small risk that I took before. It was a small loss, but now we're already more positive. We're on the 6% here, and 3% we lost. It's like 3% profit. But this is unrealized. We need first to see the market going down. But I kind of think it will go down to tap these spots here. So we're looking down here to these spots, 86.9. 86.9 would be a nice one. I think we're gonna get it. I have that feeling. What do you think, guys? We're almost there. We need 0.5% move to get it. Yeah, the market looks like it's going this way. We need actually only $400 for Bitcoin to go there. Minus $400. So yeah, let's see. Oh no, I don't want green, I want only red. Yeah, we saw, look how tuned that is, right? Like red, green, red, green, red, and then poop, a small green comes, boom, small green comes here too. But yeah, let's see. And it's bouncing on the S2, but I would like to see it making like this. Like this could be also possible. Tack. Let's see. If this would happen here, then it would help our trade here. Really help our trade here. Let's see. Even though it's a green candle here in the SPX, Bitcoin is printing red. So Bitcoin is turning a little bit bearish here than the SPX. Let's see, let's delete that. Okay, we need $400 less to take our profit. And for now it looks like a good day. We took a small loss. We tried to guess along a little bit guessy. We didn't get confirmation. We just tried to take a swing. We just tried to rush a swing failure pattern that it didn't work. So yeah, now we are just on the right side. We're shorting the market while it's going down. So let's see what's happening. Red here for the SPX, red for the Bitcoin too. We're kind of there, we're getting there. We are 20 minutes into this trade, and it looks good. Dave says just pump my bugs. Yeah, man, just pump snack. If you pump snack, I'm gonna be happy. I was really happy, man. I was really happy before 1 year, but then I round fucking tripped everything. But yeah, I think better days will come for Bitcoin and for Cardano and for snack. I love snack. Let's see if the stream on X is working. Nobody cares, but yeah, doesn't matter. Ooh, the thing is going good. I think things are going good. Yeah, the short is working. The short is shorting. Short is working. Yeah. You can see here. You can see it here. I guess it's almost there. We need $200 to take our things. No, don't pump now on this line. Just go down. Yeah, down. SPX going down. Bitcoin is following. We are on a good trade this time. We rushed one trade earlier, but yeah, it's fine. So I think this will happen. We're going to be tapping here to be taking the liquidity there. We're almost here. If you check here, we're almost on our target level. Let's see it here. I think I will close it as soon as I see it touching here. I'm just gonna close it if it doesn't close automatically. So it looks like a good day. Yeah, a little bit more. Push it a little bit more. Yeah. $100 less, please. Go. $100 less. Push. Almost there. Push it. Otherwise I will click it. Push it. $30 difference. I'm clicking it. I clicked it. I don't know if it worked. I hope it didn't, because it goes lower. Oh no, it worked. It worked. Let's see what we made, guys. We took the short. It worked. Yes. Let's see what it gave us, because I market closed it, because for $30 I wasn't there. I'm still 90. Okay, let's see. $16 for still, they didn't hit it, but we closed it already at 90.93. Okay. And yes, we took that short. We won. So let's see what we did today. Let's go. Order history. Click. Bam. Okay, that was a good short. Thank you guys for being with me. So what we did, we took first a small loss here. Let me see it. Okay. Not here. Just give me a second. Okay, here it is. Are you ready for ta da 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 da? Okay, let me check that because we might need to long here. Tum 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 tum. Boom! Look how low it goes now. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, give me a second because we might take a long here. Okay, yeah, we're looking. If we lose this candle and we take it back again, man, this could. I want to long now. Let's see. Okay, I don't want to give the money back to the market. This is a good long here. I'm really interested to long here. But maybe it's gonna go down here first. Let me see, no data. Everything is glitching. Maybe I need to take a faster PC or something. Okay, this is a really good long, I think, here. But it depends on how SPX is behaving too. So I'm just gonna wait. Okay, let's see what we did. MEXC is really it's really not behaving good. It's not MEXC, it's my PC, I think. So let me try to reload that. But yeah, we had a win today. So let's see what we did. Are you ready for? Okay, so shorting was a good decision. We kinda closed it maybe too early, maybe, I don't know. We did make a profit, so it's good. I'm just trying to open these things here. Give me a second. Okay, so today for the Bitcoin price, let's see. Okay, here we are finally. Okay, as you can see, today we lost in the beginning 3.3%, but then we made, let's see, but then we made 30%. So we had a 10%, 10% win. So we have 2 days for 10% win. That's good, huh? I love it. Let's download these pictures and let's down and put them on our file. And then yeah. It's good that we didn't rush this long that I told you here. That would be a good long here because the markets keep on pushing down. But I'm going to be looking for this spot here, 86. Maybe we'll put a bell, an alert here. And if I see this taken and this getting reclaimed, this could be a really good long here. But yeah. Let's download these pictures too. I really need a new PC, or maybe a new, I don't know, a new something. Okay, here, replace. No, I don't want to be replaced. I want you to say 3. Yes, save. And. Okay, so while we wait for that, Let's see what we did. We did 10% profit today. 10% profit today. Initially took a loss again, but then corrected it on stream. Leverage, we did 15x. We did short. We ended at 87.78. 87.78. Stop loss, we had like 5% or so, 6%. We had a 6% stop loss. And we did exit at 86.993. It was a win. Let's put some colors on these guys. Let's make this colorful tag like that. Or let's make this colorful like this better. It is a win. So yeah, let's put this as node 2. And here we can say that the market opened. We lost support, and when we checked it as resistance from below, we took the short. That's what we did. That's how we won. It took us around half hour to do the whole thing. Market keep on pushing down, mate. It's keep on pushing down. Oh fuck. I will see. I will stay for a long here. But if we're losing the CPR here, we might be looking for 82 to come. But if we have a failed auction or a swing failure pattern here, yeah, could be really juicy long here. So we lost this level, I mean, not the trade. We were on the right side today, we're shorting. Market is below the value area low. Yeah, I would like to see this getting taken. I like this setup here. Not yet. I don't like it yet. Normally I should have closed the PC because I won, and it's 1 hour streaming already, but this really is a really juicy spot here. Let's see. What do you guys think? Should I take one more trade if I see a reclaim like that? Like tack. Maybe something like this. Huge red candles, huge. It's good to short when you have red candles. I love it. I love shorting when everything is going down. Value area low, so on spot here. It's screaming for a long, but I want to see some confirmation first. I've been trading a lot without confirmations. Sometimes it's really nice because it gives you really edgy entries, and you're like, yeah, I'm not losing my spot now. But sometimes, man, it's really can destroy your portfolio. I have destroyed some portfolios like that, like ultimately destroyed them. Why this isn't working? Just work. We and I gonna work. We can work from home. Really interesting. Let's see what's happening in the liquidation heat map. Maybe we have an update here. No, nothing. No more liquidations. Nobody's betting now. Everybody's confused, maybe. Okay, you can see the alert is already here. You can see it. It's already ringing. Okay, I'm good with that. Let's see the reactions. I don't want to give my money back to the market, honestly. I don't want to take a trade here. But if I see straight down, we shorted all of this, but we stopped way earlier. But yeah, if I see this level getting reclaimed, I think I might open something. I don't want to stress it now. I think it's a good day already. But yeah, maybe I should risk it. Let's see. Normally I should have closed the stream, but I really love this spot here to see the reactions. So yeah, we took the win already from that short. Ooh, I wish I held it more. But yeah, what can you do? Okay, I will reduce my leverage here in case I take a long, because it's a really sharp move here. You can do like boom and destroy you. Maybe C doesn't behave. Maybe we'll need to take from the phone. Let me check my phone. Wow, straight down, mate. I don't want to long a falling knife, huh? I really don't want to do that. No, it's keep on going down, huh? So now, what do you think, guys? We did a really successful long. We did 10% for the day. But if we held it, let me tell you what would have happened if we held it. And what I want to ask you now, right? What I want to ask you. Should we think like that or not? I mean, we made 13% here. But if we held it, we could have made 30%. But you never know, right? Maybe we could have lost all of our, all of our profits until now. So if it just bounced here, that we're expecting it to bounce. So yeah, I don't know. What would you think? I've lost so many trades by holding the trade and not taking the profits. Like yesterday, of course. I wanted to hold it here for higher, but then I was like, fuck it, let's take it. And we took it, and we made profit. Also here we took it, we made profit, but yeah, we should have held. Let's see what the trend-based extension is giving us. Okay, 84 looks good. So, okay, let's see. Let's go a bit out, okay. Oh god, so many things here. We're below value area low too, so yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna trade this move. I'm gonna be waiting. Okay, let's see what's happening in the bigger time frame. Okay, so what were we saying? Okay, we were saying that we have this channel. Let me take some things out too. Okay, we're saying that we have this channel, top of the channel here, deviations here, bottom of the channel here, and here the kind of the middle of the channel, right? We lost the middle of the channel. We traded it down. Congratulations to us. We lost these weeks here. So now where do we're looking? We're looking for 84 to the bottom of the channel. Trade the range until it breaks, and that's what it says. Market is also going down, opened higher, went down. Pretty nice for us for shorting. We closed a bit early, but it's okay. But yeah, what is the theory? The theory behind here is that the market is going to be doing this, and you're going to be trading these edges. I'm gonna show it again with another color. Or maybe I could do yeah, like this. Okay, it's going up. There you're looking for shorts. Going down, you're looking for longs. Going up, you're looking for shorts. Going down in the middle of the channel. Then here it breaks. It traps holder. It traps longers, and then it's going down. So I think since we lost that spot here, we should be looking for here. Am I going to short it, like to take this 2 more percent? I'm not going to short it now. I don't want to short it now. I don't know, because we had a sharp move, and maybe we're gonna retest something before we go there. And I don't think I'm going to be shorting now. I'm going to be closing because we took a nice win today. So let's start fresh again tomorrow. We are on the value area low. It could be a long here, but maybe what I would do, I would wait. The market could, you know, it's almost reaching at S3 SPX, at S3 of the intraday. So maybe it could jump here. Maybe it could do it. So what I would do, I would just wait for the market to close, SPX to close, see where Bitcoin is by then, and yeah, that's what I would do. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close. I'm gonna do some other things. I'm learning piano, I'm learning how to sing, so I don't want to waste all the time trading behind the PC, and I've lost so much time trading and didn't take profits. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more things. Could be a good spot for long here. Yes, maybe. Am I gonna take it? No, I don't see confirmation yet. So yeah, thank you for being with me. Have a nice rest of the day, and bye bye guys.